And he had said, when Congress party says, why are you asking these questions? He has said, and I quote, in October 1st, 2012, he said, is it a crime to ask the government to disclose their spending? Was it right on my part to ask that question? Now, it can be argued that Narendra Modi was talking about...
People have a right to question.
No.
Absolutely. I think questions will be asked.
So
when
this
public money is spent on private...
So this money also, you see... No, 1 minute.
This details will be sought.
Mr. Rao, this money also, no, the thousands of crores with which you feed people, you give people, as somebody said on one of my shows recently, we give liquor bottles because we are forced to. This money could also have been spent to feed a child, to build a house, you know, to spend on education.
But where do, see, let's
so what do you want to... Can we afford this kind of an election?
You tell me, where do political parties get money to run their affairs? How do they fight elections?
Depends on how you want to conduct their affairs.
Will media pay people?
The Aam Aadmi Party says... Aam Aadmi Party says even 10 rupees I'll give you a receipt.
It has to come from donors. We don't have a system of state funding.
So declare your donors. No, why are you hiding them?
Political parties have been...
Why are you hiding them? I want to know the names of your donors, so that tomorrow, if you oblige them, I can...
We don't want to hide them. If people give small donations, or if they don't want their names to be disclosed, nothing can be done about it.
Next caller is Vikram, and Vikram is calling in from... Vikram is our next caller, and Vikram is calling from Pune, I think. 1 second.
And there has been a demand for it for many decades. Somehow we have not made a progress in that direction.
Our next caller.
If people would want to know how political parties spend their money, you also have to see that
I don't want to know how you spend your money. I want to know... No, I don't want to know how you spend your money. I actually want to know, but more than that, I want to know how you get your money. That's all. Who gives you the money? Our next caller is Vikram from Pune. Vikram, good evening.
Hi, Arnav.
Hi, you're watching this debate, Vikram. What do you think? Which side are you on? And do you have a question?
Oh, this is a funny debate. The best solution is that they should go under RTI.
Exactly.
But in the interim, if Mr. Kapil Sibal has any evidence of use of black money, then it is his moral duty to inform the Income Tax Department, file a case against Mr. Modi, instead of going on a rhetoric and taking a press conference.
That's a point tonight. Yeah, I think Sanjay should answer that. Sanjay, then this is not,
I'll answer that. Vikram, thanks for... Now, Vikram, thanks for asking the question. The answer is very simple, and the point has been actually debated today. Let me make it very easy for you. Mr. Narendra Modi made a lot of allegations. He didn't just ask a question. He made a lot of allegations on Mrs. Gandhi's medical expenditure when she went abroad for treatment. And we gave an answer. The government gave an answer. The party gave an answer, because he had allegations of all sorts. By the same logic, when Mr. Kapil Sibal... No, 1 minute. When Mr. Kapil Sibal asked a question about what is happening in terms of the expenditures of the Bharatiya Janata Party, let me tell you, the BJP needs to explain, because Arnab, your own arithmetic of taking certain heads of expenditure, whether it's cooking, whether it's transport, whether it's accommodation, etc., raises a big question mark, because this is a real multi-crore expenditure project. So the BJP needs to explain that, because the principal point here is this, that they actually the other day raised money from an ordinary person attending the rally and said that they wanted to donate the rally for a relief cause.
I'm sorry, Sanjay, 1 minute.
Sanjay, financially bankrupt.
Sanjay,
where is the money coming from?
Sanjay
Who's
Jha,
funding them?
Sanjay Jha,
fundamental point that
Sanjay Jha, remember this debate, I'm saying this debate is as big as the debate on the ordinance. I don't know if you sense it. I'm sensing the anger in the calls tonight. This debate is as big a debate as the ordinance. It's not just about, we don't want corrupt politicians in, convicted politicians in the parliament. We are in our legislative bodies. We also want to know where your money is coming from, because you know why? Everybody's not making money on the Sensex. There are a lot of honest Indians out there who are calling tonight. And Indra from Mumbai is calling tonight. Listen to Indra from Mumbai. Indra, good evening.
Arnab. Okay.
Indra, good evening.
Mr. Goswami.
Good evening, Mr. Kishlu.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
My question is to all the parties. Like if they are, they don't have any business to call to pinpoint fingers on other parties if they don't want to come under RTI.
Exactly. I think Krishan from Mumbai. Mr. Kichlu, thank you for calling, and all our viewers, I'm wishing you a happy Diwali. And you know, for most people, it's not a very prosperous Diwali. Mr. Krishan is calling from Delhi. 1 second, so many callers. Let me take a few. Mr. Krishan, good evening. What's your point?
Mr. Goswami, good evening.
Good evening.
I have a question for Mr. Jha.
No, Mr. Jha. Yes, please, go ahead.
If they have Mr. Sibal is a law minister, he could have easily passed a law and gone into RTI. He didn't accept that. Now, how is he, what is authority he has to question BJP or any other party?
Okay, fine. Mr. Krishan, thank you very much for your call. Sanjay, you heard that. The point has been made before. Aam Aadmi Party coming in 4 minutes into the debate. I'm going to Professor Vaidyanathan.
Yeah.
Professor Vaidyanathan, you seem to be getting some support.
Let me give him a quick answer.
Okay, quick answer to Mr. Krishan from Sanjay Jha
It is the Congress party-led UPA. It is the Congress party-led UPA that brought in the game-changing, transparent law called the Right to Information Act, which has empowered the common man of India and people like you and me. So let's give credit where it's due. The intention of this party and the government is to be more transparent and accountable. Point number 2, as far as the issue of RTI and political parties is concerned, let me tell you that any donation or any contribution made to the party, which is in excess of rupees 20,000 on a transaction, it has to be disclosed to the Election Commission. Political parties file income tax returns. So, and everything is available, by the way, on websites. Now, the challenge lies is that some political parties, one point, Adam, some political parties, including the left. Now, listen, I'm speaking from the Congress, but I can also tell you that parties from the left, I've heard them over the debate several months. They say that they get a lot of, disaggregated numbers from multiple sources of small, denominations in villages and rural areas that they cannot afford a receipt for. Now, this has had a political consensus. For the first time, we found that all political parties were on the same page. However, let me tell you, I agree with you completely that if there's any black money, it should not be there in the system, and cash should not be accepted by any party.
Two things to you. 2 things to you. 1 minute. Two points to you. Sanjay Jha says tonight our intention. 1 minute. He uses the word our intention. I tell you, Mr. Sanjay Jha, India does not want intention. India wants action. That's point number 1. Don't tell me that you had the right intention. The second thing is you can't talk about the RTI if you don't use the RTI on yourself. The best test of the RTI will be the day that you use the RTI on yourself. You must first regulate. And third point is, going by your logic, both the BJP and the Congress get no money from a big corporate house. Because everybody who's giving them money is giving them 5,000, 10,000, 500, 200. Now, do the people watching the News Hour tonight, this question goes to you, believe that no big corporate houses do big funding of political parties and all the money that comes is small?
Donation, it will have to be in the corporate's balance sheet. It'll have to be in the corporate's annual report and the P&L.
If it is
makes a donation to a political party above that,
if it is
small number of 20,000, it has to be in the corporate if they have shareholders, and if they're transparent, it has to be there.
I'm going across to Professor Vaidyanathan for a rebut on that. Professor Vaidyanathan's been wanting to come in for a long time.
You see, there is an excellent report by Pranab Mukherjee. When he was finance minister, he presented to Parliament on black money and its impact on political system. I wish this government had acted at least 10% of that report, in which case we may not be having this debate today.
There is already an anti-money laundering legislation, Mr. Vaidyanathan. There is already an anti-money laundering legislation. Banks have been told on how to know your customer.
No, yes.
There is already a whistleblower bill. There are multiple steps being taken to prevent corruption by this government.
You may not know what I am...
Including the judicial bill.
You may not know what I am talking about. No, you may not know what I am talking about.
All the time in this 2020 WWF, they are playing for last 7 years in this country.
No, let me tell you an interesting statistic. If I go by the logic here, I want to share a very interesting statistic. The CPI has 57% of its total income from donations above 20,000, which means 43% is below 20,000. In other words, the Communist Party of India has the maximum number of rich donors. Can you believe that? And the BJP and the Congress Party don't have rich donors. The BJP and the Congress Party only have small donors. Now, I don't know what is going on
Both
here.
of them are below poverty line.
No, so
Speaking for
then
the Congress, Congress is a larger party than the CPI,
One minute.
CPM.
One minute.
1 minute, Arnab. Arnab, the Congress party has got a deep historical reach all over the country. It is the only true national party in India.
No, that's all right. You don't need to give yourself a certificate on that. No, the question is, how many political, 1 minute on the debate. Tell me, where does the money for private helicopters and private planes come from? Sabir Ali, let's go direct.
That's why I'm talking, at least you gave a chance. I'm just asking, I'll give you one example. In Gujarat, there is one company called Adani. In 10 years, he's grown from 100 crores to 1 lakh crore. He has all.
No, but my point to you is your political party. You're a businessman.
Exactly. I can tell you one thing.
So much information available
It is. Anybody can check it. I'm not saying. I've said it so many times. I have already said so many times. I said if you have any objections, come go to the court against me. It is on the record.
No,
I can tell you.
It is
regarding you ask the helicopter.
You have sucked up to UPA to protect yourself and your leader.
I have never done it.
And
see, don't change that track.
You can't.
GVL Narasimha.
Come and talk about this money.
And people know why you are doing all this.
Where is coming from?
How much of your money comes from? How much of your money is
in 5 years? Only
how much of your money is from? How much of your money is from named sources, and how much from anonymous?
See, as a president, I can say at least today more than 90% we have all the records.
No, not records. I want your records. Give me your records. Where are your records?
You have not said to browse.
Is it on the web? Is it on the website? Is it on the website?
We have not put it on the website, but we are going to put it.
No, you are going to put it. When will you put it?
We are ready.
1 minute. This is the moment. 1 minute.
Now we are ready to come under RTI.
The JDU.
We are ready to come under RTI. Let them move the bill. We are ready.
You are ready to come under the RTI?
Why not?
You're the okay.
We are ready to come.
And you are going to put your accounts on the website.
Exactly, we are going to put.
When?
It will take little time.
How much time? How much time?
How I can come?
You said
right you just put after 1 week. I'll give you on the answer if you want to come on the record.
After 1 week, you'll put it on the website.
I didn't say that. I said you keep this debate.
Now that's where you begin to dodge.
No, not dodge. See, you can't put this kind of us to be.
The question,
I'm saying keep this debate after 1 week. I'll give you the time.
I just want to know, and you.
Otherwise, give me a call after 2 weeks. I'll give you the time.
I don't want the time, Mr. Sabir Ali. I'm
ready here.
Time.
Not I'm giving the time.
I simply want to know. I simply want to know where you're going to get your money from, and
we are
I'll
ready
get to
publish on the website.
To all my guests on the news hour tonight, I don't think India knows the source of funds. We need to know the source of funds because that's the only way to clean up the system. But one thing is clear here.
Public funding.
Public funding is one thing. Till then, some austerity will also be good.
You cannot. The political parties can be treated as public authorities only if you give them enough money to run their own affairs.
Your accountability.
I think it's bizarre to expect political parties to run all their affairs.
I think it is.
We have thousands of people visiting daily.
The only solution is
we are afraid to give you money because this government can steal us. But we are saying we are not receiving any cash, so much of cash. अगर आप चेक दे सकते हैं तो दीजिए. And we are the only party of this country जो कह रहे हैं कॉर्पोरेट से पैसे नहीं लेंगे. मिस्टर बिड़ला ने आदित्य.
Come on, you won't exist after Delhi elections.
और 36 करोड़ कांग्रेस.
On the debate tonight, I promise you, like we followed the issue of the ordinance, like we followed the debate on the ordinance, this debate, I assure you, has only begun here on Times Now. Next, we will investigate, then we will expose, and then we'll come and debate again. So thank you, gentlemen. This is only day one.
Yes, we welcome
I wish you a great weekend and a happy Diwali. I see you soon. Maybe next time with all your accounts in your hands. Thank you very much for joining me tonight.